Ready to experience lower energy bills and more comfort in your home? You might think you'd need to perform an entire remodel of your house. Well, think again. Window replacements in Raleigh are one of the best ways to make your home more efficient and more comfortable. Who doesn't love saving money? Exactly. Replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient options is one of the best ways to see lower energy bills each month, especially if your windows are over 20 years old. Older windows are notorious for leaking energy, especially if you feel drafts coming from it. Installing replacement windows can also ensure your home is more comfortable. After all, new windows will help to keep the air inside your home where it should be, while blocking the outside air, helping your HVAC to work less to keep your home at the desired temperature. Did you know replacement windows could help increase your home's value? Because they can. Especially if your current windows are old, downgrade your curb appeal, and don't function properly. Don't forget that installing replacement windows in your Raleigh home is just one way to be on the path to a greener home. You will stop the energy waste you are currently attributing to. So, if being green is something you're hoping to achieve, you can't go wrong with replacement windows. The Window Depot of Raleigh is your premier choice for highly energy-efficient window replacements that look amazing. For your free estimate, call us today at 919-801-2506.